What's up, guys? Just doing a quick little giveaway for Super Clean. They liked the video that I made, and they wanted me to make a giveaway video. So all we're gonna do here is, if you want this, what they're gonna include in this giveaway is a 32 ounce of the original Super Clean in the spray bottle, and then the 17 ounce aerosol version. So you get both of these for free. All you need to do is put a comment down in the video description, doesn't matter what, just any type of comment. And on May 1st, I'm gonna randomly select a winning comment, and the winner, I'll just need you to email me your name and your address, and Super Clean will send you these directly. I know I have a really weird viewer base. I don't have a lot of dedicated subscribers, so if this doesn't end up doing anything, if nobody ends up winning, I will roll this kind of deal into the beginning of some of my other future videos, so that people that are maybe watching those videos will get a chance to win as well. So again, just post any comment down below. By May 1st, you'll be randomly selected, and the winner will get these 2 free products. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out Super Clean at their website. I'll post it down in the video description below. Make sure you hit like, comment, subscribe. Check me out on all the socials, and as always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.